everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a maths video, and our topic we're going to be discussing is solids. So let's start. Now our first solid is triangular prism. Let's take it out. Let's take out the triangular prism. Here it is. Now the triangular prism has 5 faces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 faces. It also has 6 vertices. Now, what is a vertice? A vertice is basically a point where 2 or more lines meet. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. Now it also has 9 edges. 9 edges. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. 9 edges. So let's go over it again. It has 5 faces, 6 vertices, and 9 edges. Here's a smaller one to show you. Good. Now let's move on to our next shape, which will be a triangular based pyramid. Now, we all know what a pyramid is, but there are 2 types of pyramid, a triangular based pyramid and a square based pyramid. So we're going to go through both in this episode, but first let's start with the triangular based pyramid. Triangular based pyramid is this beautiful red one here. Beautiful red color. Good. So here's the triangular based pyramid. Now let's look. It has 4 faces. 4 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 faces. It also has 4 edges. Well, 4 vertices, sorry. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices basically this little point. This little point here. Good. And it also has 6 edges. 6 edges. Good. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 edges. So you guys can see here. Now the next one. As we said, there are 2 types of pyramids. We just discussed triangular based pyramid. Now we're going to discuss square based pyramid. Square based pyramid. Now, let's get out here. Wow, lovely square based pyramid. Now the faces, we have 5 faces. 5 faces. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 faces and 5 vertices. 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? 5 vertices. Now, it also has 8 edges. 8 edges. Let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go over again. It has 5 faces, 5 vertices, and 8 edges. Good. Next shape will be cube. Next shape is cube. Now, the cube is a pretty simple one. Now the cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. It also has 8 vertices. 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. And 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. So you see, it has 6 faces 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now here's a smaller cube for demonstration. A smaller cube here. Good. Now let's move on to another simple one. It's not much different from the cube. Now it has the same amount of vertices, faces, and edges as the cube. So yes, that means it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Here we go. But the only difference it has from a cube is that a cube, all the edges are equal, has the same measurement. But in a cuboid, all the edges are not equal. Some of them are different than others. The measurement is different. Good. So I don't think I have to go through that because, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing as the cube. Now here is another cuboid for demonstration purposes. Good. Now let's move on to another simple one, yet again, a cylinder. It's really big. Now, the cylinder has 3 faces. 1, 2, 3. 3 faces and it has 0 vertices. There's no line that connects 2 or more lines. So 0 vertices. It has no vertices. And it has 2 edges. So these here, this side here, these count as edges. 2 edges. So it has 3 faces, 0 vertices or no vertices, and 2 edges. Good. Now let's look at the cone. The cone. Good. So here's the cone. Now the cone has 2 faces. Here, 2 faces. Now it also has 1 vertice. 1 vertice, because here, this little point here, it counts as a vertice. And it also has 1 edge. Now the edge here is basically this, like you would have seen in the cylinder. Now let's look at the sphere. I have a sphere here. It's like basically just a little ball. Now it only has 1 face. Now this whole thing will just count as 1 face. It doesn't have any vertice and no edges. So 1 face, 0 vertice, 0 edge means no vertice and no edge. Good. Now let's move on to something a little bit more complicated. Here is a pentagonal prism. A pentagonal prism. Now, the pentagonal prism has 6 faces. No, I'm sorry. 7 faces. 7 faces. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 faces. And it also has 10 vertices. Wow, 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 vertices. Here you could see it. Good. And it has 15 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it has 15 edges. So it has 7 faces, 10 vertices, and 15 edges. Let's put it back. Now let's move on to a hemisphere. Hemisphere, it's basically half of a sphere. Here it is, as you can see. Now, a hemisphere has two faces. 1, 2. And it has 0 vertices. It has no vertices. And only has one edge. Here, this would count as an edge. So let's go over again. It has 2 faces, 0 vertices, and 1 edge. Good. So here's the entire kit. So you could see here that I was using. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Hope it taught you something. And I hope you liked it. If you want to see more videos just like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you know somebody that is struggling with learning solids, especially with all these complicated measurements, you could share this video to them, you know? Now, if you liked it, if you enjoyed this lesson here, then you could just always click the like button and click the notification button to receive more videos. Well, you don't have to, but it would really mean something, you know. So please share this video to people. Like if you enjoyed this lesson, and subscribe for more, because your encouragement, the more views, the more subscribers I get, it really encourages me to put out more of these videos, you know. And I really appreciate all your support that you guys have given me so far. So thank you. Thank you so much. So this is the end of our lesson. Goodbye.